Hello everyone, let's see how to count people by age range in Excel. So here you can see name list and age of every person. And here I'm going to count people as per age range. So first below 20 people. So I select the cell, use this equal to, type here count if function. Then first here select the range. So select the age column range and select the entire column. Then comma, double quote, less than 20, then double quote, bracket close. Here in the formula, you can see first I select the age column, the range, and second here the criteria said below 20. So therefore less than 20 here mentioned. Okay. So then press the enter. You can see the two people in this range available below 20 age. Okay. Next is equal to count ifs function. Here use the count ifs function because here I'm going to use two criteria. Okay. So select the count ifs function to criteria range. So select again each column entire, then comma, and here double quote, greater than is equal to 20, double quote, comma. Again, select the criteria range. So select here the age column, same as, then comma, double quote, less than is equal to 29, double quote, bracket closed. So here in this formula, first I select the criteria range, then set here the criteria greater than or is equal to 20 age will count, and in second criteria less than and is equal to 29 age will count the people. So that's it, press enter, and here you see total 5 people in this age range 20 to 29 here showing. Okay, then next age range 40 to 49. So same as here, also use the count ifs function. Okay, then select the range of first criteria age column, comma, double quote, greater than is equal to 40, double quote, comma. Again select the criteria range, second criteria range, then comma, double quote, less than is equal to 49, double quote, bracket close. Here you can see in this formula, the first criteria greater than is equal to 40 age people will count here, and less than is equal to 49. Okay. So press the enter, and you see total 4 people in this list available of 40 to 49 age range. Okay. Now next and last 60 and above. So select the cell is equal to count if. Now here select the count if function. Okay, then select the range, entire age column, comma, double quote, greater than is equal to 60, double quote, bracket closed, and enter. And here the one people 60 and above. So that's it. This is a way you can count the people by age range in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.